I'm Dr. Ian Matheson of the university, and this is my patient, Agnes.
Agnes?
Agnes Ockelman. Now, Agnes. We don't want another one of those nasty tranquilizers, do we? I'd like to have her committed.
What seems to be her problem?
She may look calm to you now, but inside she's seething. She's violent, abusive, savage. I've been treating her for years, but lately she's become completely uncontrollable. A shocking case, really.
How shocking.
She thinks she's a werewolf.
Really?
Bet you don't see that too often. Do you?
Quite common, actually, Dr. Matheson. This is, yes, a woman racked by tremendous sexual desire and guilt, so that her repressed lust expresses itself through delusions of uncontrollable savagery.
My diagnosis exactly. Can't take her anywhere without a straitjacket.
I shall be glad to observe her for a few days, see if we can help her work through her delusions.
Flashing.
Did you think this is such a good idea?
I think it'll do you the world of good. Of course, I like to keep an eye on myself. For a few days. Of course.
Good day.